Okay guys, that right there is attention to detail. To knock off that little piece. Now it's nice and flush. Let's see if it's flush. Well, let me do a little bit of work on that. It's good now. I don't have to cut this because it will be underneath the washer. I mean, it's under the washer diet thickness. We're good. Take a little equalizer. Hold on, kids. How about a ball peen hammer, kids? Perfect. It's good now. But man, that is Dremel's, man. The Dremel, that's just a toy. It's for somebody who dicks around with little tiny ass projects that ain't worth shit to deal with. But I really thought it would cut that. Anyways, we are going to throw this bumper on right now, and you're about to witness a very, very important day in my life. We're getting there. By the way, were $2.75 each, but it's the only thing I could find. Now, there is another store that I could have went to, but it's way far away. I could have probably got these for probably $1 each, these washers. And that's, they only charge that much because they have to stock them. I mean, they probably pay 2 cents for these things. It will give, it's not perfect, but it will get the job done. It will keep the aluminum from touching the metal. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, kids. You follow me? So it's a little washer. Boom, okay? Now let's stick this old boy on. There's the washer. Now you need to have survey sets. Not this one. Not the full frame, just got all the isolators on, we're good there. And we'll put these at a specified torque here in a bit. But when I bought this, I thought I really wanted to put it on right away because I wanted to make sure the guy didn't bamboozle me, who sold it to me used. But you can see it works perfectly like a charm. And we're just going to screw in this last bolt. I'm not going to bore you with the details from here, but looking good on the install here. You certainly want to, after getting all those sparks, you want to hang out down here for a while, make sure nothing is smoldering. So that's, everything's good there. So we're just gonna tighten these down really good. This is just the bumper. It's just a bumper, so you just don't want it to vibrate loose. Don't really need to put a torque wrench on it. Done. Okay. I wanted to point out one last thing. That's the end of this video. I will be drilling a hole through this bolt. Once it's completely installed like this, I will drill a hole through it, and then I will drill a small hole, like maybe 1/8 of an inch. Then I'll drill a 1/4 inch hole, and then I'm going to put a lock through this, because this is the only thing, this is the only bolt that's going to hold your $1,200 rack. It's actually $1,500, actually $1,450, but I got it on sale. It's the only thing that's going to hold your $1,200 rack, your $7,000 mountain bike, and your other Yeti SB66 $6,000 mountain bike. So you're going to have maybe 20,000, almost. You're going to have about. Anyways, we're going to nip this in the bud right here. You're gonna have a lot of money. You're gonna have an $8,000 mountain bike, 6,000, that's 14, and this, the carrier is about 1,500, so about 1,550. Anyways, and it gets more than that if you got a trailer and other shit on it. We're good to go.